friends, I hope everyone is doing well. New day with new yoga. आज हम किचन में नहीं है. This is my yoga room, and I'm not sure if everyone know I'm a yoga teacher also. So a lot of my client requested I have to introduce more yoga videos to them. As I always mention, if you're eating healthy, you're wearing very nicely, but you're not taking care of your health, there's no benefit of your healthy food or how you're getting ready. First comes health, especially these days since COVID-19. We learned a lot of things. We should be very grateful what we have. So all our priorities first is if you are happy, your health is good, everything is good around. So today we are going to talk very interesting आसन, वज्रासन. ये एक ऐसा आसन है. This is the one exercise which you can do even after eating. A lot of people will be surprised. Generally when we go for like some exercise or if you go for like workout somewhere, people said don't do any exercise after eating. You need to put some gap, at least 1 or 2 hours. But this is very interesting. Vajrasan is the only asan you can do it after eating right immediately. Can you imagine? I heard like a lot of people, I have a gas problem, I have a constipation, कितना भी कुछ खा लो, I'm getting a lot of problem, health problem. And that happened when you don't take care of yourself, when you don't take care of your body. You are just eating, sorry to say, some people eat a lot of oily things. Some people don't eat healthy, they just like some junk food. And these things give you a lot of side effects, gas, constipation, bloating. And this is really good for your digestive system, and it's very easy. You don't have to make a commitment and like make some, just like gradually you start, and once you learn, you do as a discipline, first day, second day, third day. So today I have to tell you, before we start, I always mention, please listen to your body, and if you feel any discomfort, don't do any exercise. Always consult with your doctor because your health is very important. I'm a yoga teacher, I'm not a doctor, so always listen. But I feel like yoga is the one thing, when we get sick, definitely we get a medicine get affected and we get healed. But for proper cure, you should be doing yoga. Yoga is a very good habit. It takes out so much your like stress, depression, negative thoughts, and it makes you more healthy. You keep more smiling, and these are the very small things we have to consider. Exercise never works if you don't discipline with your eating habits, if you don't discipline what time you're doing. If you do one time yoga and then after 3 months you've done yoga and you're coming to me and you're saying, oh, I didn't see any effect, that's not going to work. You need to develop this habit like how we brush our teeth every day. We need to make a habit to do yoga. We need to make a habit to eat good. We need to make a habit to eat healthy. So I hope you got in detail. So as per request, like as a lot of people are asking me to start making yoga videos, I'm planning to introduce a lot of yoga video under my healthy cooking. So today we are going to talk about the Vajra. It's a Vajrasan, or some people say Vajra, but I think it starts with V. So in Vajrasan, the benefit of doing this asan, your food get digestive, you don't get gas, your bloating will go away, constipation will go away. And you have to remember, if your stomach is healthy, you are healthy. But if your stomach is keeping upset, you are getting a lot of gas, bloating and constipation, and all the time whatever you are eating you're not digesting well, that's not going to be really benefit. So before go further, let's start this, and it's very easy. You can open your legs. Every yoga, every kind of or any kind of exercise when you do, you make sure you're relaxed, your body is relaxed, you're ready to do it. So in this, it's not really big project, it's a simple way. Even you can do this exercise after during watching TV, eat, and after eating just sit in this pose. So what we are going to do, we are bringing both our legs behind, and you're sitting like this. My request to you guys, as I earlier mentioned earlier also, especially who have anybody who has a like knees problem, please don't do this exercise. And otherwise, if you are discomfortable in sitting in this pose, and if you are getting lot of like problem, you're like you feel like your thighs are hurting, your knees are hurting, don't do. With gradually, slowly practice, you will learn this. So I'm sitting on my feet, and now we have to bring our hand on the knees. अपने हाथों को knees के ऊपर ऐसे रखना है और सीधा बैठना है. That's it. It's not really big thing, and it's you can feel here, like you can see the change gradually. Like whenever I'm done eating, I sit in this posture. Sometimes I watch TV, I can talk, and you can feel really good. It's bit difficult because when you're sitting on the feet, it's little hard. But as I said, with practice, you can learn this. And you know, sometimes when you notice your all the like some kind of muscles are tightened, when you sit in this posture, gradually you will see so much relaxing in your muscles. Your like, especially when I'm sitting straight, my shoulders got loosened, my back got loosened, I'm feeling little more comfortable. Any kind of exercise when you do with the passion. Don't do I'm just finishing. Whatever work you do in your life, do with passion, because it's very important. Make an interest in that work. Don't do I'm just doing, I want to finish it. And in this posture, it's bit difficult. Like you can start with the like 1 minute, 2 minutes. It should be 5 to 10 minutes. It will be okay. But look, I'm not used to it very much. I just started since 2 months. So if you feel like tired, you can just sit and come back and sit the way you feel like. Because I feel like yoga, according to yoga exercises, you do not push yourself because you want to do other people are doing. You do anything with your comfort level. If you feel comfortable, then you can start doing this exercise. But believe me, with practice, you can learn every single exercise. Nothing is hard. Love yourself. Watch what you're eating. If you're really hungry, you eat in the portions. Don't eat like when you fill the plate and you're just eating, you get overfilled and then you get gas, you get bloating, your stomach feel very uncomfortable, and that time you don't enjoy what you ate even. So if you want to enjoy, you can eat small meals and make sure once you get like good digestion and you're getting like not bloating, not gas, and you don't have any constipation problem, then you continue. And then again come back and sit in the Vajrasana. And I have to tell you, sometimes ये जो हमारी ये पिडलीज होती हैं, यहाँ के जो हमारे मसल्स होते हैं, it get very tighter because most of time we are standing and we are working, we don't realize. But जब आप इस पोस्चर में बैठते हो, all your way, all जो मसल्स होते हैं, जो आपके टाइट मसल्स होते हैं, वो रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं. तो ग्रेजुअली यू कैन जस्ट कम बैक, ऐसे आराम से ऐसे बैठ के यू कैन सिट लाइक एंड रिलैक्स. वंस यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग दीज थिंग्स, यू गेट यूज टू इट, देन यू कैन इंक्रीज योर टाइम. जैसे मैंने बिगनिंग में स्टार्ट किया, when I was sitting, I was getting little pain on my feet as well as my ankles, and my knees were giving me hard time. So I start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ऐसे करते करते हमने इसको increase करना है. You can sit in this pose 5 to 10. Believe me, I used to have a lot of stomach problem, but after this exercise, no bloating, no gas, no constipation. I'm feeling much better. And you remember, if your stomach is not good, if your stomach stays always upset, if your immune system is not strong, it affects to your whole body. तो अपने आप को हैबिट बनाइए, एक आदत बनाइए अच्छा खाना खाने की, खाने के साथ हंसना, खेलना, enjoying the time what you have. Don't, like, even you are eating healthy, you are wearing very good, but you are not, your brain is still full of like lot of stress or troubles or tensions. When you are eating, enjoy the food, because God has given this chance. We are enjoying this time. We should be very grateful. So always count your blessing when you got up in the morning. You should be very grateful. One more day we gotten. And अपने आप से प्यार कीजिए. अपनी हेल्थ का अच्छी तरह ध्यान रखिए. डोंट डू दोज एक्सरसाइज विच बॉदर यू. ट्राई टू मेक अ प्रैक्टिस, ट्राई टू बी डिसिप्लिन. दीज थिंग्स मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. जैसे मैं इतना भी ज़्यादा बैठती हूँ, तो आज स्पेशली दिस मॉर्निंग आई वेंट फॉर रनिंग, so I'm bit tired, so I'm coming back to my regular posture. So it's a very easy. अपने fold करके knees को you can sit on top and you can put your hands on the knees. और वैसे भी जब आप बैठते हो, आप ऐसे नहीं बैठो, क्योंकि जो आपके पीछे हमारी रीढ़ की हड्डी होती है तो वो दुखती है. Try to sit like this. Even you are working on the desk, don't sit like this, because these muscles get weak. You get shoulder problem, you get neck problem. Lot of working people, oh, I have a neck problem, I have my arm, my legs are pulling out. So you need to try to sit like this and put your computer and workplace like this level, where you don't need to lean too much. These very simple things, I hope you are going to like it. And please try to practice with Vajrasana. It's very easy. If you want to stay fit, no gas, no bloating, no constipation, no stomach problem, just please carry on, do it. And it's very easy. One bar last time, like you can even sit like this first, then you put your hands on the knees, here you go. And you can put some nice music, you can watch some TV and be happy. Always enjoy small things and be grateful. And I hope you are going to practice this asana, and we are going to bring a lot of positive yoga videos for you. And if you have any particular concern and question, please do let us know. If you are looking particular video, most probably next video we are coming about talking about the anger management, or we are going to talk about the meditation. And I really want to share few further videos with you guys, like about the lower back problem, lower legs, upper body. So these are small things. Keep smiling, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Namaste.